So there are two parts to the program. One is treatment, which is completely personalized. Now, how it goes is that, the first step is we fill in a very detailed health history form about the child. So there are some easily 80, 90 odd questions to understand the entire thing about history, right from birth to whatever, and all the reports and everything they go in. Wherever there are missing gaps, to understand more in detail, we go for testing. Home sample can be collected. You can go for your own lab tests also, but home sample facility is there. Basis the reports, we do a root cause analysis. Dr. Ashwini does a root cause analysis, and we come up with a plan of action and help you understand in simple language, these are the 10 issues and this is how we plan to correct them, which requires three things to be looked into. One is about your dietary perspective and nutrition and all of that. The second is environmental perspective. And the third is about supplementations for corrections. Now, supplementation का मतलब है कि it is through natural ingredients which our body itself produces, so that we equip the body in the long run. Body को अपनी लड़ाई खुद लड़नी है और बॉडी को हमने बस वो टूल्स देने हैं, इनेबल करना है ताकि वो केपेबल बन सके. सो ऑल द प्रोटीन्स, एंजाइम्स, हार्मोन्स एंड वेरियस अदर फैक्टर्स, इम्यून सिस्टम ओरिएंटेड, व्हिच आर रिक्वायर्ड बाय द बॉडी टू फाइट इट्स बैटल, दोज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी वुड प्रोवाइड फॉर अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ पीरियड टू इक्विप द बॉडी. तो इसका एंड है, यू डोंट हैव टू बी ऑन सप्लीमेंटेशन योर एंटायर लाइफ, नन ऑफ दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड. We do, the idea is to start with a hypothesis, and with your help, with your reportage on how your child is progressing, or even some symptoms going worse, we keep changing our suggestions and our advisory, so that in the first month we have a complete grasp on how the treatment should be. Month 2 and month 3 is about implementation and getting results. So we have realignments and reassessments in both these months, so that we can check in on our progress and we can realign ourselves accordingly. Meanwhile, there is continuous tracking through WhatsApp. Dr. Ashwini and his entire team of dietitians and various other support staff would be there. Meanwhile, as required by the batch and different parents and children, कुछ अलग internal therapies के sessions भी होते हैं. So there is quantum therapy and energy healing and several other microcurrent and so on. So various things which are internal in nature we will be working upon also, depending upon the need and requirement. Now, again, towards the end of the month, in third month, we can go for retesting to evaluate before and after and produce a guide for you. After 3 months, आपने क्या करना है? We have recovered so much. Let's say 70%, 80%, rest of 20, 30% what we need to do. So we would give you advisory towards that as well. Meanwhile, for educators, there is a lovely option. The doctor through and throughout would be advising on n number of things to be done in terms of environment and diet and several other things. So for educators, there are 3 things that they can look forward to. One, there are 8 sessions in the entire program, 4 sessions in the first month and 4 bi-weekly sessions in month 2 and month 3. So the first 4 sessions are fixed. The first one is about root causes and nutrition, gut health, and then toxicity and radiation. And in the second and third month, we would have bi-weekly sessions. Topics educators और parents मिलके decide करेंगे कि किस चीज के ऊपर बातें होनी चाहिए. All things you'll get the recording, and you also have access to the WhatsApp group जिसमें parents, doctors, support staff सभी लोग होंगे. So you see how the treatment is going, where it is effective, and to what extent it is effective, and so on. And plus, you also have access to Dr. Ashwini to bounce off an idea or two here and there. So all of this combined, in a way, an internship of sorts, because you have visibility both sides, all these educational classes, and access to the expert as well. Now, one more thing which is extremely important is the parent group. So parents, in many ways, an expert can do only as much, right? बट पेरेंट्स को एक्चुअल आइडिया आता है कि इम्प्लीमेंट करते समय कौन सी चीजें लैकिंग है और वो ट्रिक्स और टिप्स क्या हो सकती है, कोई चीज जो कर नहीं पा रहे हैं उसके लिए. सो मोर देन एक्सपर्ट्स एडवाइस एंड गाइडेंस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, दिस इज ऑल्सो एक्सट्रीमली रिक्वायर्ड एंड एसेंशियल. दिस इज वेरी हैंडी टूल. तो पेरेंट्स का एक कॉमन ग्रुप रहता है, बोथ मदर एंड फादर आर देयर इन दैट ग्रुप अलॉन्ग विद द एंटायर हेल्थ केयर गिवर्स. So the idea is to start from diagnosis to education to your personalization, finally having this overall umbrella of community and support.